Hi everybody, it's a pleasure to meet you again. Let's start and see what we are going to create today. This is a great presentation I created in the past. Now let's try to create it again. At first you see this is just a black presentation that here is looking more beautiful and more clear. So let's try to create that. At first we need a blank space. In our blank space we copy the text. The text is easy thing, nothing hard to create. And after that we need to insert 4 rectangles. One here, one here, or for better grips you can create some changes. Let me tell you some of them. Delete this, align this to the same size, and another one, then rotate it, increase it in size, one here and one there. Now select all 4 of them, go to shape outline none and pure black. Now if you want you can give it some shadows. Let's go with the shadows. We are going to format the shape, fill, no here shadows. You can give it some down shadow for this shadow up, and for here right and left. Let's take a look at the slide. We see this great shadows. Now we copy this slide, we delete this too and copy the text that is the same text with a new color. Then we just simply increase this two thing by holding Ctrl and Shift, and this two also by holding Ctrl and Shift. Now bring it here and set the transition to morph. Your beautiful slide is ready. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.